So after end this video, you'll get this new start menu style for your Windows 11. So in this video I'll show you that how to install this newly designed, elegant and futuristic start menu for your Windows 11. So it's fully functional, and you will also get some acrylic effect on this start menu. So this start menu is not actual release from Microsoft, it's a customization video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to install this start menu. So let's dig in. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I got another start menu style for Windows 11. So today I'll show you that how to change this default start menu to something new, something fresh and something elegant. So this start menu has been created by me, so I'll show you that how to change the start menu and use this new start menu using Windhawk styles. So you need to install the Windhawk software. It's easy to install. I already installed it, so you need to download the Windhawk and install it. So it's pretty easy to install. So I already installed it. So let me show you that how to install the start menu. Okay, so first of all, let me clear first, this start menu is not actual release from Microsoft. It's made from Windhawk mods. Okay, so first of all we need to change the taskbar. So you need to click on browse for mods, and then we need to first we need to change the taskbar height and icon size. So install this mod called taskbar height and icon size, and then click on install. So right click on accept and install. So while installing it, let me copy in the start menu code. So first is taskbar size. Okay, so copy this code and close the window. So and then so it's installed taskbar height and icon size. Then go to advanced tab and paste the code here, and then click on save. Okay, so now we need to install the taskbar styler. So click on details and then click on install, and then click on accept risk and install. While installing it, let me copy the code. Go to mods and go to taskbar, and then copy this code, and then go to advanced tab and paste and replace the code here, and then save. Okay, so taskbar has been changed. Now we need to change the start menu and get some acrylic effect on it. So we need to install another mods called Windows 11 start menu styler. Click on details and then click on install, and then click on accept risk and install. So while installing it, let me copy the start menu code as well, and copy this whole code, copy, and go to advanced tab and replace the code here, and click on paste and click on save. Okay, so start menu has been changed. So and you can change this navigation panel as well. So if you want to change the navigation panel, so right click on start menu and click on start settings, and then you need to go to the folders, and you can uncheck this. Okay, and you can also add more pin apps. So just click on apps and click on pin to start. It will pin here. Okay, you can add more. So that's it. I hope you like this video, and for more video like this, please subscribe Tech Vegas. So I'll show you in next video, and I'll bring some more start menu style like this. Till then, stay tuned. Tech Vegas.